So this is just a quick unboxing of the R36T retro TV. Now, this is different from the S slightly. So this is a newer model with a slightly different feature. So this is how it comes. It's a nice little box. And when you open it up there, you get the case, which is really great for traveling or just keeping it dust free and safe, you know, from being dropped and things. It's a very nice ergonomic little case with a little hook there if you want to put a carabiner on it as well, just to get the extra security. And it comes like this, and it does come in a variety of colors. I think white, I think a cream if I remember rightly, but just check the listing if you want to pick a different color. You get your little instruction manual. There we go, so you can take a look. I'll let you pause and read that if you wanted to have a little read of that. We're going to do a separate video of us playing it so that you can see what the gameplay is like, but this is just for now the unboxing so you know what to expect. You get your cable in there to keep it nice and safe for charging, and then let's take a look at the actual unit itself. So this one does have global settings, so depending on where you are, you have different settings for it. It also has different themes as well, and also you can play different game types on it as well. You've got PSP, you've got a Nintendo DS, so you can play different variety of games on there. Now, I think one of the key components for this one is the screen, is that nice bevel around the screen, if you can see that there. Let me just have a little peel of this off, satisfying peel, lovely. And there you can see that really nice screen up close. You've got your various buttons, your function, your traditional four-way buttons there, and then you've got your directional pad there and your D-pad there as well. You've got your paddles on the back there. Let's have a little look. And it does feel really nice. I mean, I've got quite big hands for a woman, and this does feel really comfortable in my hands. You've obviously got the power button on the side there. Looks like a SD card slot. And then obviously your volume buttons there. I would say my first impressions of this are, it's a very good build quality, and it feels like, and I'm not exaggerating it for this review, the same build quality as a Nintendo DS. The feel of the plastic, the weight of the plastic, and the quality feel that you get, the hand feel you get from a DS, it's very similar. So well done to the team that built this one. I'm very impressed with the build quality so far. We are going to spend a few days enjoying this one, getting it all set up. We'll do a separate video reviewing that one, so please do have another look. But I am very pleased with this purchase off the bat. So very excited about playing this one. So far, based on this build quality, it's getting a thumbs up from us.